How to block ads on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to block ads on Facebook. So if you wish to add blocks on Facebook or block ads on Facebook, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to open the Facebook application and log in. Next, you simply want to make sure to click on the menu bar from the top right, go to settings from the bottom. Once again, click on settings. So as you go to settings, click on account center, and here you have these account settings. Underneath, click on add preferences. So when you go to the add preferences section, there you could see all the ads that you see. Click on the C button, and if you want to specify the particular ad that you want to block, just long press onto it, and then underneath you could click on hide apps. So do the same thing like this, and that is basically how you could block ads on Facebook. So this is the simplest way you could find. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.